Number one, angling is my hobby. Whenever I get time, I go. Number eight, preposition for. I go for angling. On the last Friday, I went to a big lake near my village. I took dash angling rod. I took an angling rod, bait. Number six, an umbrella. আবারও an ওয়ার্ডটা বসাচ্ছি। A towel, light, dash and some other necessary things. লাইটের পরে আসবে refreshers and some other necessary things for angling. I went there in the morning and spent the whole day. I threw the hook with a bait at about 8 a.m. There's the lake. Into the lake, number 8. But no fish took the bait. I got a little disappointed. When I was about to leave the place, a big fish devoured the bait. I felt spirited and let the hook loose. There's some time. Number G for loose for some time. And then I pulled it out. Number H out. It was such a big fish that other anglers gathered around the fish. Fortunately, I angled another 3 fishes and returned home with a happy mood. I go on angling, দেওয়া যাবে। পরও দেওয়া যাবে, সমস্যা নেই। Number 2. Nowadays, parents are very dash of the harmful effects. Aware wordটা দিই। Parents are very aware of the harmful effects of concerned for after. Number B punishment on children. Child psychologists think that. Number C both physical and mental punishment can be disastrous. Number D for no, both disastrous for a child's growth and number E development or education. It may lead to dash and hatred of the person. Number F anger. It may lead to anger and hatred of the person who. Number G punishes the child. Number F disliking দিতে পারো বা similar এই জাতীয় ওয়ার্ড গুলো দিলে চলবে। Again, it is if এটা it না হয়ে if হবে। If a child, number H is, if a child is punished, it may lack initiative. It also, এটা till না হয়ে feel হবে। It may also feel hostile to, আইতে to, towards হবে, হ্যাঁ। So rude behavior may gradually, number J grow in it, develop in it হবে। till কিভাবে till হলো? Number 3, some একটু right side টা দেখে নি। First invented in China to spread education and culture, eat from the leaves of papyrus trees that the Egyptians first made paper, the most useful gift of human skill. Some believe that the Egyptians first made paper. They made it from the leaves of papyrus trees. It was first invented in China. তাহলে আমাদের তিনটা হলো, এটা হলো, এটা হলো। এবার বাকি আছে টু স্প্রেড এডুকেশন এন্ড কালচারে ইট দিব। ইট হেল্পস টু স্প্রেড এডুকেশন এন্ড কালচার। আর বাকি আছে দ্য মোস্ট ইউজফুল গিফট অফ হিউম্যান স্কিল, এটাই দেব ইট। এরপরে দেব ওয়াজ, ইট ওয়াজ দ্য মোস্ট ইউজফুল গিফট অফ হিউম্যান স্কিল। ইজ প্রেজেন্ট টেন্স আনা যাবে না। নাম্বার 4, nowadays civilized life, এতে means দিব এস অ্যাড করে, means life on the lap of science. Life in towns and cities is like a life in a science laboratory. Cities and towns are now dash and dash with the help of science. Okay. Cities and towns are now planned and made. City made. Planned and made with the help of science. Science makes it, science feeds it, science guards and protects. Number 2, protects it. We owe greatly to science for the comforts of our daily life. Electricity dash the streets. Electricity lights the streets and houses. Machine dash water and dash it. Machine supplies water and filters it, অথবা filters water and supplies it, দুইভাবেই হবে। Trams and buses dash through the street, run through the streets and carry, number 8, carry people from one place to another at a nominal cost. Taxis and cars dash their destination, reach অথবা can reach their destination very quickly. Are you ill? He said boldly. He boldly asked me if I was ill. I replied in the negative. Then he asked me why I was sitting when all others were working. He told or ordered me to go out at once and to give them a hand. হবে। বুঝি নাই কোনটা। boldly কে প্রথমে আনা যাবে না, প্রথমে আনা যাবে। 6 এর A, assertive করব, how essential newspaper is for us. Newspaper is very essential for us. B কে compound করব, newspaper is a paper and it carries. Newspaper is a paper and it carries ... C টা simple করো, newspaper is such a thing without which we cannot go a single day. We cannot go a single day without newspaper. D তে positive করব, very few things are as important as it. E তে assertive করব, it is a part and parcel in our day to day life. F এ active করব, newspaper upholds society, art and culture. Number G কে passive করব, global distance has been removed by বা through newspaper. Number 8 কে affirmative করব, but a newspaper has some disadvantages. Is with দিলে হবে না, has some disadvantages. I কে negative করব, there is no doubt that newspaper is a ... J কে interrogative করব, hasn't newspaper linked up ... undoubtedly এর পরিবর্তে there is no doubt that দিতে হবে। 7 এর A, if we invest in education for girls they can become good human beings. It is education which is necessary for everyone. Educated women have higher income potential than those who are uneducated. Those mothers who are educated can educate their children, can contribute to their family. It is important to realize that education is the backbone of a nation. 8 এর A, worldly. B তে shortage. শর্টনেস না, শর্টেজ অফ মানি। নাম্বার সি তে ডিপ মোর অ্যাবাউন্ড, উই ক্যান নট লিড আওয়ার লাইফ। নাম্বার ডি তে প্রপারলি। নাম্বার ই তে ডিফিকাল্টিজ, ওয়াই উঠাইয়া আই ইএস প্লুরাল হবে। আওয়ার পিস এন্ড এখানে প্রসপারিটি ওয়ার্ডটা ছিল। আওয়ার পিস এন্ড প্রসপারিটি আর ডিপেন্ডেন্ট, এফ এ ডিপেন্ডেন্ট অন প্রপার, নাম্বার জি তে ইউটিলাইজেশন। নাম্বার এইচ এ improper, শুরুতে আই এন হবে। improper way can lead us to the path of. নাম্বার আই তে destruction, destroying না, so we should be careful. নাম্বার জে তে careful. 9 এর এ মিনা is, isn't she? B তে she has been, hasn't she? C তে her father bought, didn't he? D তে her mother wants, doesn't she? E তে let's, shall we? Number 10, women are nowadays as important as men in the society. They constitute nearly half of our total population. That there can be, in fact, so there can be the in fact, there can be no denying the fact, number B that the fact that they too possess equal rights and duties. Number C as men do. They have noble mission to fulfill as men. If, number D if they get opportunity, their genuine powers and, number E and capacities will bloom fully. Naive দাও, conditional sentence তো। 11, capital O, once my mother said to me, comma, quote, capital W, who came to you, question mark, unquote, quote, capital M, my friend, capital R, Rafiq, mom, Rafiq, comma, mom, full stop, unquote, capital S, she asked, comma, quote, capital W, what did he want, question mark, unquote, capital I said, comma, quote, capital H, his mother is ill, full stop, capital H, he needs some money, full stop, capital I have given him 500 taka, full stop, unquote, capital M, my mother said, comma, quote, capital W, wonderful, note of exclamation, unquote. 0.5 কাটবা। ওকে, টোটাল কাউন্ট করো, কাউন্ট করে কে কত পেয়েছো বলো।